It's Monday the 20th of February. I'm Matt, and on today's PulseChain and DeFi news, in 2020, investors spent over $4 billion buying pump and dump tokens, Binance looking beyond the US dollar for a new stablecoin replacement, and Richard Hart drops more PulseChain updates on Twitter. So with no further ado, let's go. Last year, crypto investors spent approximately $4.6 billion buying tokens suspected to be part of pump and dump schemes, according to a report by blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis, which analyzed all tokens launched in 2022 on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, and found that over 9,900 of them bore characteristics of a pump and dump scheme. In a typical pump and dump, creators orchestrate a campaign of misleading statements, hype, and maximum FOMO to persuade investors to purchase tokens while secretly selling their stake in the scheme at inflated prices. The most prolific pump and dump creator identified by Chainalysis, who was not named in the report, is suspected of single-handedly launching 264 such tokens last year. The report classified a token as worth analyzing as a potential pump and dump if it had a minimum of 10 swaps and 4 back-to-back days of trading on DEXs in the week after its launch. Of the 1.1 million new tokens launched last year, over 40,000 fit the criteria, and if a token saw a price drop of 90% or greater in the first week, it is likely that this token was a pump and dump. Despite the concerning stats, Chainalysis noted in a separate report that revenues from crypto scams were cut almost in half in 2022, largely due to the crypto winter we've been going through. So we all know crypto is full of these types of scams that prey on human nature and the idea of getting rich overnight. If only. Look, jumping into some of these freshly launched meme coins on something like BSC, which in my opinion is Rug City, is asking for trouble, and you're playing Russian roulette. Remember, mistakes love a rush decision, so if you feel the FOMO pulsing through your veins, it's more than likely you're heading down a risky path. So stop and think very, very hard before pressing that big green juicy button. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, is reportedly considering alternative formats, pegs, and partners for its stablecoin after US regulators cancelled the BUSD coin, and they're now exploring other issuers and non-USD based stablecoins. Binance's CEO CZ has stated that the company is looking into opportunities in Europe and the Middle East at this time. The New York Department of Financial Services recently ordered cryptocurrency firm Paxos to stop creating more BUSD tokens, and a source in the crypto forensics industry suggested that this language indicates a concern with money laundering and KYC issues. Additionally, the SEC is investigating Paxos for violating investor protection laws. Binance's chief strategy officer Patrick Hillman stated that the BUSD's days are numbered and it's likely to wind down. Now, Binance appears to be quickly losing footing in the US as American regulators are clamping down on crypto on a number of fronts. So it remains to be seen what Binance's next move will be. However, as the largest crypto exchange, its decision could have a significant impact for the crypto market as a whole. And I think after this whole mess with the SEC, they will most likely be glad to drop the US dollar peg. But then again, this being crypto, new evidence may come to light, and then the SEC drop their whole case against Paxos and it's all back to kumbaya. But time will tell. Richard Hart tweeted out yesterday on the 19th of February, PulseChain.com updates. Testing is going very well for Prism Pulse, Go Pulse, and Lighthouse Pulse. The private V3 testnet is running with sacrifice credits, 32 million PLS of validated deposit and max effective balance, 10-second slots, consensus layer reward burning, compensates for faster slots plus 25% burn on top. He followed with some more tech updates on the clients, which will sound like jargon to most, and touched on an Aragon issue that the devs are working on fixing. So progress mixed with some bumps in the road, but of course the question on everyone's lips is, when V3, sir? This has been your PulseChain and DeFi update on Monday, the 20th of February, 2023. If you like this video, you're also going to love this one here. Click it and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.